This is Michelle Lemron with Farms.com Risk Management. We're just here outside of St. Thomas in Paynes Mills where wheat harvest is well underway. You can see that there's a brand new Case Combine behind me here that's harvesting soft red winter wheat. It has been a pretty good year thanks to the hot and dry weather and the lack of rain that we've seen in the past 3 weeks. A lot of farmers have gotten underway pretty early this year, especially in this area. The yields aren't quite as good as they were last year for this farmer, but he says they're not too bad after all. Let's see what holds in store for the corn.
You need hands, rough, not soft, to come and warm you up in that cold hay loft. Let me hold you, little darling, in my big strong arms. Can't get these kind of muscles anywhere but a farm. Hey, I'm a country man, a city boy can't do the things I can. I can grow my own groceries and salt cure a ham. Hey, baby, I'm a country man. I've got a Jeep with camouflage seats. That way nobody sees us parked back up in these trees. Your little iPod's loaded down with hoopa stank. Don't be a tape player, hater, girl, we're grooving to hang. Hey, I'm a country man, a city boy can't do the things I can.